Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today, I've got one that came from a reader named James from Lakeside, California. Thank you, James, and hey, Happy New Year. What we got here is some Myojo Charumera Tonkotsu Ramen. We got 500 mils for 3 minutes. So here we go. Here's our noodle block and our 3 minutes. And our quote of the day from the wonderful and amazing Momofuku Ando, the guy who invented instant noodles, baby. So what do we got here? The product must not only taste good, it should be something that one does not get tired of. That's quote number 93, and that is like axiom level stuff right there, folks. The product must not only look good, it must taste good. It's true. Wow, that looks really good. I make plenty of food that looks pretty appetizing and absolutely nasty. I have no problem with that. Like, wow, that looks really good. It's not. I can't believe that. It's really not that good. But it looks so appetizing. But it's not. I'm telling you, it's not. I'm not saying about this one right now. This is a Myojo Tonkotsu. This should be just fine. But more than once, I've had something that I was thinking like, this is going to be great. Absolute garbage. Filth. Disgusting. Not good. Slow down. Slow your roll, boil. Excited because the picture on the package looks like a bowl that I've had for a long time. Well, it's close. Around. I'm gonna use something similar at least. I used to be able to get these really nice bowls at Daiso that had that kind of Japanese design to them, and it's like I haven't seen a bowl anything like that in years, and it's a shame because they were cheap bowls. They were like $1.50, and they were really nice bowls, and I still have 2 of them, but they after time they just kind of smudge and they like won't get clean. So now I'm like, I wish they would have more, but they don't. And I can't seem to find any more like them. So, Daiso. I don't know. You know, that change might have happened. Ooh, our calendar needs to be changed. That might have happened. Yeah. I think that was around the same time that Fukushima happened. So I wonder if like the foundry that made the that stuff got like shut down. I mean, think about it. Nobody wants to go work at a place that's next to an area that's like full of radioactivity. Nobody wants to go out and work with the public when, you know, there's like, some people do, but when there's like a pandemic going on, just the Fukushima thing was just a bit more localized. So. I don't know. I just hope 2021 is a better year, but I have a feeling the beginning it's gonna come in like a bear. Hi Mimi, how you doing? What are you doing? Like frantically waving that plate at me for? Did you eat all your lunch? Did you eat all of your lunch? Yes or no? Yes, I heard a yes. Well, let me see. Well, it's all gone. If it's on the floor like that other time, are you sure it's not on the floor? No, if it's on the floor, go pick it up. Did you take your lunch and put it on the floor? I hope not. She did that like a couple weeks ago. She's like, all done, and then it's like, there's all your lunch is just on the floor, hidden in the couch. It's like, this is what you all. She'll get mad if I give her anything else. But then she doesn't want to eat what I give her. So. Well, you want your drink? Miles, you want yours? Take this. I'll take this. And here you go, Buster.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was a little kind parenting from the ramen ring. Yeah, we'll see what kind of mess is out there. Ooh, then they'll pay. No. It's tough though, man. 32 after now. I got a clock on the wall that I got years ago. So I went on a trip to Taiwan, and on the way back, on the way there and the way back, actually, I took, what do you call it? I took sleeping pills so I could sleep through the flight. It was great, but I was much bigger then, and I got a blood clot that went to my lung, so I had to be on warfarin for... I ended up being on it longer than I needed to. God, where am I going with this? I'm totally lost now with what I was talking about. I've got tonkotsu, I got noodles. I'm totally at a loss where that was going. Come on, brain. Well, let's try this tonkotsu. Cheers. Maybe that'll jog my memory. It's a very zesty, garlicky tonkotsu, but not black garlic oil, obviously. Obviously. I wish I knew what I was talking about. So this year, don't sleep on the plane. Yeah. The clock. Anyway, so every once in a while you hear it in my videos and stuff. Go cheep cheep. Well, I got that thing to make sure that I would get up and walk around every so often, because when I first had it, I was like, I spent a lot of time sitting on the old computer, and thank you, princess. And you know, desk bound, not doing much moving. So I got it, and it would go off every 15 minutes when I first had it, or like once an hour at least, I think is the deal. The thing loses time like no tomorrow. And I changed it a couple times, and I just finally gave up. But it was supposed to be an alert to have me like get up and move around, right? It's a good tonkotsu. It's nice and garlicky, nice, and I like the noodle. This is good. And yeah, so it just loses time, and it's 30. It was 32 after when it happened, when it made the noise. That thing is supposed to chirp on the hour. So like in a year and a half, it's lost like a half an hour of time. Right? It's a what do you call it? It's an Amazon special. It was like a $3 thing. It also tells you the humidity and the date. I'm curious what day it thinks it is. Alright. Let's egg it up. She made more eggs, ladies and gentlemen. She made more of the eggs. And they didn't come out as good. Not even anywhere as good as the last ones did. Huh. I wonder what the deal is. I mean, they're nice still, but they are nothing like the other ones were. I'm betting it had to do with how much junk was in the fridge. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below that I won't read. No, I'm kidding. I'll read your comments. I always read your comments. When I have time. I just don't always comment on them. I had somebody get really irritated that I didn't comment on his comments. It's like, what's the point of allowing comments unless you're going to comment on them? It's like, you're the one commenting. I didn't say that I was going to comment on your comment. One comment's enough. Right? Right. Yeah. Hey, we need some springy onion. Where are we going to put you? I'm going to put you right here. That's pretty. Yummy, yummy. Oh, yes. That's what Miles says. Oh, yes. Let's ring him a new year right. Well, I guess it's already rung in for you, but... Heck, right now it's December 1st for me. Let's put some of this Laogan Ma right about there. Hello, nighttime. I think we're probably good. I mean, I could add some oil, but that seems like overkill at this point. I could add some shichimi. A little bit of color right about. Ah! Too much noise from you in your face. I was trying to get this just perfectly centered and I have no luck. That's pretty good. And now I got 20 minutes to do one more. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Happy New Year. Bye-bye 2020. Hello 2021. Get ready for it to get really bad. Fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, it's the new year. Why don't you do yourself a favor? Like, subscribe, notification bell. Do it. Do it. I like this song so much I'm going to play it for the next video. So, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.